Hello guys, today I received change cleaning brush from Amazon. Let me unbox what we'll get inside. The packing looks good. This is the change cleaning brush. This is very worth. You can. I brought this in Big Billion Days sale for 72 rupees. It's very worth for me. The MRP was written uh, 1 199 rupees, but I received this product for 72 rupees. The quality of the brush is good. We can use this brush for cleaning the change. For insiding this, we can put this change here and we can brush like this. And this is for cleaning before for the side change chain material. We can clean it for this. The brush quality was good, and this is worth for 72 rupees. Even it is worth for 100 or 150 rupees. If you are getting this product for 100 or 150 rupees, that will be a great deal. Even I got this product for 72 rupees. We can clean this product like this. We can put inside and we can jerk and we can brush. I'm not cleaning now because we have to clean the change first with kerosene, and later I will use this brush to clean this, and for this side I can use like this. I will 100% recommend this product to buy from Amazon. It's very worth, guys. You can take it and use it. Thanks for watching.